Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here. As I said before, today I'm going to give you an ingenious way to clean the mold and mildew off of your roof. And I don't think anybody's ever come up with this, but Mr. Know-It-All, the guru of everything. See, I'm going to do this roof here. I'm going to do half of it so that you can see what the results are. But I've got all this roof to do yet, front and back. So I'll show you what we're cleaning off. This stuff right here. This is black mold. See that stuff up in there? The dark stuff, that's what we don't want on there. So keep your eyes peeled, we'll get this thing going. Here's a little bonus tip for you. If you're lucky enough to have dung beetles in your yard, like we do, we very rarely have to pick up dog doo-doo. Thank you, dung beetles. Hooray! Alright, first thing we're going to do is save you a bunch of money because you don't need to mix this mix that strong. Make sure all the plants are away from the building. If you do have plants up by your house, soak them down really good with water and then cover them with, you know, thin 4mm visqueen or plastic, painter's plastic. That'll help. But I've got 5 gallons of water here. I'm going to add 8 ounces of lemon dish soap. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Caesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Arlo, Bucksnort. Alright, so we're going to add that. Now, a lot of people say if you do a hand sprayer, they're a pain because you don't get much and you got to keep pumping them up. So I'm going to give you that ingenious way to do this. So I'm going to add 2.5 quarts of liquid bleach. I'll save a little bit for Mom's dish rag tonight. She'll be happy, seeing how I just used it all up. 90 degrees, 93 degrees already, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So if you see me doing this a lot, it's because I got sweat running down my face. So this little sprayer right here is the way to go if you're doing your roof, because it's got all the adjustments here for 0 degrees, shower, foam, 40-degree angle, and a 20-degree angle. So we're going to start it out with, we'll start it out on 20 degrees because I'm going to do the front edge first. So you take this little bugger, and I thought it was just good for washing our cars at the campground because you could just use a bucket of water. You don't need a hose. You stick that down in there until it touches bottom. Then you clip this little bugger on right there. That keeps your hose from coming out. I got something to remind you of. Don't forget our contest on our special product we're sending out for free. I mean, it costs us $4 or $5 to ship out the product to you. We want you to get it. So if you get notified, Carmela or Ezelita or Consuelo contact you via the comments, get back to us, okay? So we can ship it out to you. There's no ulterior motive here to collect names and stuff. So there will be no names given out publicly. And the people that get back with us are going to be in line for the grand prize. Alright, so we have a quick connect right here. That just snaps on like that. There's no electrical cord or anything needed with this. No garden hose, no nothing. Here it comes. There it is right there. So we'll stop there. Just like that.
Now, do you have to rinse this off?
Consuelo wants to know if I got to rinse this off. You can let it set 20 minutes and then rinse it off, or just let it, if you know it's going to rain that day or later that day, then all you have to do is just let the rain rinse it off. But I'm going to let it set about an hour, and then I'll hit it with the garden hose. I conned Consuelo to get up here with me to do the top. And folks, if you're doing your deck or any of that, this sprayer, we're not being paid to share this. We're just telling you that this is the way to go if you want to get rid of the mold and the green mold and the add deck wash to your deck, this is the way to go. You don't have to have a pump sprayer. You'll see, because I'm only going to do half of this, how nice this looks in an upcoming video. So make sure you stay connected so that you can not only win in the giveaway, but also you can see the results of this. And the other good thing about this is you don't have to keep getting down or having somebody pump up the pumper while you're up on the roof. And a lot of roofs, like our roof on our house, is so steep you can't get up there without a harness. That's shower. This is foam. This is 40 degrees. I like the 20 degrees the best. Now we've only used maybe a quart out of that bucket. So you conserve a lot of the fluid by doing it this way with this sprayer. So I could do 20 feet from this ladder. Maybe use the gallon, which is unheard of. I can put it on thicker, I can put more on it because I'm putting it on evenly, and if I see areas that need a little extra, I can just do this and spray it right up there. And with this hose, I can travel a long way. I can go all the way down here, clear down to almost my tractor. So I'll let it set about an hour, and then I will come and rinse it off with the hose, and then I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to be amazed. It's so simple. Battery operated. Charge it up. Put it in there, and you probably do your whole roof on your garage with one charge. Alright, this is the barn that we did, and you can tell that it's much brighter and beautiful compared to this right here. You see all that garbage up under there? Not good. Compared to this beautiful area here. Isn't that gorgeous? You can do it. You can clean your own roof if you got the right tools and the right know-how. Mr. Know-It-All will guide you to the top. Okay, this is the roof on the house, and as you can see how bad it is, we'll have a little different mixture because this is much worse, and when the sun's not shining on it, it looks really bad. But it should look as light as this area right here. Right there. But that is all mildew, and I'm surprised that it does that because the sun really hits it.